Welcome to Fix It with Jeff. Today we're going to be working on our dryer. I'll show you what's going on. So we're getting this loud rumbling noise. And what we're thinking is that it's got bad guides. So we're going to go ahead and take a look at this and get this fixed today. So the first thing you want to do is make sure you unplug your power. This is an electric dryer. So we got 220, but if you have a gas dryer, it probably is the same thing. The next step we're going to do is we're going to take our door off so we have more working room, and then we're going to open this up. This is with a Phillips screwdriver. Take one top off so you can have, it's not so hard by yourself doing this. Set that to the side. Okay, now we want to get the filter out, and there's a few screws on the inside to get that out. Okay, so this piece is held on with 4 screws, so you have screw there, screw there, screw there. Then there's another piece inside here. There's another screw there. And right now this is held on with some kind of wire. So we're gonna head and looks like take these screws out, separates this piece now, and I know that in there is a way to lift this off right through here. You can see there's a little slot. All right, so just like a car hood, got something to prop this up. This just snapped in with these clips, so you just give it a good pry and it snaps out. Okay, so now we're gonna get this face off. So it looks like possibly gotta loosen one screw here, and there's 4 screws here, and that should come off. Okay, we have these 2 connections to loosen. One is for your door switch and the other is the light. So we loosen these 2 connections from right here, the door switch and the light. So now we'll go ahead loosen these 2 screws to loosen up this plate. So we'll get the 4 screws off here and see if this comes off. So that was pretty easy, getting the 4 doors off. Dryer maintenance is a big deal. So you want to make sure you maintain your dryer. All right, so I think what we got to do next, there is some screws here that hold on the drum, because we will have to take out the drum because we got to get to those wheels that are in the back. I don't know if you can see, there's one there. We got to get to these wheels. We definitely got to clean this out. Okay, the next thing, I think this is a temperature sensor. So we're gonna go ahead and disconnect that. I'm definitely gonna clean this up really good. It's not so noisy as it was. Because it would make that noise right away. It might have been just this. We still might go ahead and replace these wires. We also got a new belt. Okay, we're gonna clean that up. We're just gonna give this a very good cleaning. Here's the temperature thing. Actually, we could just go like that. Pull it out of here. We'll disconnect it from here. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is that's a tensioner for the belt. So we'll figure out that it looks like it pulls towards us here. And then we have, I took off this shroud here, this slid out, unplugged the temperature sensor. We got 4 screws that hold the drum in. And then we should be able to lift the drum out. So let's see if we can get the belt loosened first. Okay, so the 4 screws came off. That was a bracket basically just holding the drum. So now we're gonna go ahead and clean this up. I don't think these wheels are bad at all. To change that one, to change those in the back, you have to access the back panel. I'll go ahead and get everything cleaned up in here, vacuum up the motor. And I think it was just the fan was clogged. Thinking that's all it was it. Because these are good. I'm not gonna change them. Yep. When these are bad, they'll be moving around. I don't think going back and forth is a problem. So all these wheels are good. And the other wheels. Okay, so I think we got it pretty cleaned up. There was a lot of gunk on the shaft here. Tried to loosen the shaft, but it loosened this piece. This piece loosens up. So that didn't work out. So I tried to take the fan out, but it looks pretty clean in there. It sounds okay. So I don't hear nothing. The only thing I'm not too concerned, but I did get a lot of stuff out of here, but it was gonna blow, but I'm afraid that might just trap everything. So I'm just gonna leave that alone. I would take it apart, but I don't know. I'm not gonna mess with it. I think it's okay. So I think at this stage we'll go ahead and cover back on. That was held on with 2 screws. Like that. Get that back on. Then we'll put our drum back on. We'll reconnect the pipe. It kept coming off because it was vibrating so bad. Because it was out of alignment because of this. This is what was making it vibrate. So let's go ahead and put it back together, see what we got. Okay, so we got everything back together. We're gonna go ahead and give it a test. I'm gonna simulate the door being closed by pressing the button. And look at the difference. Or listen to the difference. You can hear yourself talking now. Man, that was bad. Well, thanks for watching. Till next time, Fix It with Jeff. I hope this video was helpful for you. I know I didn't get too detailed into what needed to be done, but hopefully it was helpful. You're able to do this on your own. For my situation, it just needed to be cleaned. I didn't need to get the new wheels on. That's all I needed to do. So until next time, Fix It with Jeff. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe.